Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. I stayed at home alone. I stayed at home alone. The doorbell rang. The doorbell rang. I opened the door. There was a delivery man. There was a delivery man. Someone gave me a gift. Someone gave me a gift. I didn't have to pay. I didn't have to pay. There was a card. There was a card. It said Happy Valentine's Day. I fell on the road. The road was slippery. The road was slippery. My leg hurt. I couldn't stand up. I couldn't stand up. The man helped me up. The man helped me up. I tried to walk slowly. I tried to walk slowly. I went home and rested. I got on the bus. I got on the bus. I sat near an old man. I sat near an old man. I got off the bus. Oh, I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. I looked around for it. I looked around for it. The old man tapped me. The old man tapped me. He gave me my wallet. He gave me my wallet. I dropped it on the bus. I dropped it on the bus. I thanked him again and again. I thanked him again and again.